Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to rename your Windows PC or Windows laptop. So let's see. So the very first thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here, click on your start bar, and this is going to open up. Then click on settings, and in a few seconds it's load up to your setting page right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to systems right here, click on that. Then it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down to about, just like so. Click on about, and it take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on rename this PC, just like so. Then right here, enter your new name right here, just like so. Next thing you need to do is to click on next right here. Rename your PC. After you restart, your PC name will appear to be this. It's as simple as that. You can restart now or click on restart later. It's as simple as that. So you can see your new name right here. It's as simple. So basically, this is how to rename your PC. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. Also, remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.